Hello, this is the video demonstration of my ECE 5000 design project, the lamp that adjusts its brightness based on the surrounding light level. This is an Arduino-based project that reads the light level of the surrounding area via a light sensor and automatically adjusts the output brightness of an LED bulb to account for the surrounding light level. Here we can see that if an external source of light, this flashlight, is shown on the light-dependent resistor, that the pulse width modulation value lowering the brightness of the lamp. Okay, this is the extreme. See that when I put the light right on it, the lamp dims quite a lot. If I take that away and instead cover up the light-dependent resistor, the perceived brightness is almost zero, and so to compensate, the lamp tries to increase the brightness by increasing the pulse width modulation. If we take this away, we can see that the system starts returning back to its target brightness, in this case 44% of its maximum value. Through node red as well, we're also able to change what this desired value is. So if we lower this to 27%, we can see that the system is going to respond by decreasing the brightness of the lamp until it reaches 27%. Likewise, we can increase it as well. Say if we want the lamp at 80%, the pulse width modulation value will increase until the perceived brightness at the light sensor is 80% of its maximum value. This project works by reading the value of the light sensor using a voltage divider circuit connected to the analog to digital converter of the Arduino. This signal is then processed to account for the fact that perceived brightness is not directly corresponding to the amount of lumens hitting the sensor. After it accounts for that, to make the scale linear, it then checks whether or not the perceived brightness is too high or too low compared to the target brightness, and then adjusts the pulse width modulation based on that. Lastly, the data is sent to and from node red to control the target brightness and send that target brightness value to the Arduino and send the Arduino's value of what the current brightness is back to node red to display. That is all.